Hello guys, I have this Victoria's Secret bag I ordered, and there's an extra. I think this is the free gift, because I have I think $10 off for my birthday, and I use it. And here's guys. Oh no, this is not. Oh, this is the one I ordered from Macy's. I didn't see it, Macy's. But I know Macy's right now is having a different kind of brands that they're affiliating. So this is Escape. This is a blouse. The blouse that I like this one. I ordered this because I have a birthday gift from them too. So this is looks like, guys. This is the INC. I like this. I like the brand INC. I think this is the INC too. I'm not sure. I forgot. Or Express. I like this style. Like this. Ooh. I like this. Perfect, guys. So I have this red and I have this. Oh. Red and black. So I have to wear the pants white. I can wear pants white. Like this I'm wearing right now. And or black. So this is really nice. I'm sure it's perfect on me. Fit for me. This is size medium, just to make sure. I want comfortable. But this one, it's I think this is small, but it's perfect on me. It's not that only my belly bigger, nor it.